Looking for a quick and delicious meal idea? What if we told you you could indulge in a gourmet experience in just 10 minutes? Let's dive into the world of succulent shrimp bathed in a tantalizing blend of sweet honey and savory garlic. This harmonious fusion of flavors creates a 10-minute miracle that's both quick and immensely satisfying. This is the magic of our quick fix, 10-minute honey garlic shrimp. Stay tuned as we walk you through this delicious quick fix meal that's bound to impress. First things first, gather your ingredients. We'll need a pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined, the fresher the better. Add to that 3 tablespoons of honey for that perfect touch of sweetness. 4 cloves of garlic, minced, will provide that aromatic and savory depth. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a tablespoon of olive oil will give it that glossy shine and enhance the flavor. Grate in a teaspoon of ginger for an added zing. Fancy a hint of heat? Toss in some red pepper flakes, though that's entirely optional. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. And for the grand finale, garnish with fresh parsley or green onions to add a pop of color and freshness. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get cooking. Get ready, because this is where the magic happens. Let's dive into the heart of our recipe, the preparation process. To begin with, we'll create our flavorful honey garlic sauce. Take out a bowl and start whisking together the honey, minced garlic, soy sauce, and grated ginger. If you're a fan of a little extra kick, feel free to add a pinch of red pepper flakes. This sauce is the soul of our dish, bringing together the sweetness of honey, the punch of garlic, and the umami depth of soy sauce. Once your sauce is well combined, it's time to turn our attention to the star of the show, our shrimp. Heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. This is where we'll cook our shrimp, creating a beautiful sear that will lock in the flavors. When the oil is hot, add the shrimp to the pan. Keep an eye on them as they cook quickly. Give them about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll know they're done when they turn a lovely shade of pink and become opaque. The aroma of cooking shrimp mingling with the olive oil is just the beginning of the sensory feast you're about to enjoy. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Pour the honey garlic sauce over the shrimp in the pan. Toss them around to ensure each shrimp is coated evenly in the sauce. Allow this to cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. You'll notice the sauce thickening slightly, clinging lovingly to each shrimp and enhancing its natural flavor. Finally, season your shrimp with salt and pepper to taste. This will heighten the flavors and bring out the natural sweetness of the shrimp and the honey in the sauce. Almost there, the aroma must be filling your kitchen already. Just a few final touches and you'll be ready to serve up a gourmet dish in the comfort of your own home. The preparation is simple, but the result is anything but ordinary. Your taste buds are in for a real treat with this honey garlic shrimp. Time to plate up and savor your creation. Here's where we bring all the elements together. Your pan-seared shrimp, now bathed in that sweet honey and savory garlic sauce, is ready for the final touches. A sprinkle of salt, a dash of pepper, adjusted to your taste of course. This is your masterpiece after all. Now let's talk about garnish. Fresh parsley or green onions. It's your call. Either will add a pop of color and a hint of freshness that pairs beautifully with the rich flavors of your shrimp. And don't be shy, scatter those vibrant greens over your dish with an artist's flair. And where will our star, the honey garlic shrimp, make its grand appearance? Over a bed of fluffy rice perhaps, soaking up that irresistible sauce. Or intertwined with tender noodles adding a delightful texture contrast. You could even pair it with your favorite side dish. The choice is yours, and each one promises a unique and satisfying experience. Let's take a moment to appreciate what you've achieved here. Succulent shrimp, enrobed in a tantalizing blend of honey and garlic, prepared in just 10 minutes. This isn't just a quick fix meal. This is a gourmet delight that just happens to be quick. It's a balance of sweet and savory, a harmony of flavors that will leave your taste buds singing. And the best part, you created it, right here, in your own kitchen. There you have it. A gourmet meal in just 10 minutes. Bon appetit!